Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to take your activation key and use it to get to the content you'll need to prepare for and then take your credential exam. Just in case you were separated from the page where we left off, I'm starting over at the top. Point your browser to ogs.asa2fly.com and then click sign in. We'll use the email that we used to create our account. And then we'll enter our password. Of course, this will be your login credentials. We'll click sign in. And it tells us we don't have any active subscriptions, so we need to fix that. We're going to close that. Oops, we'll close that. And then we'll go to where our username is, or user email. We'll click down on the arrow and enter activation codes. It tells us again we don't have any active subscriptions. Well, we're going to fix that right now. You're going to go over and copy the subscription key. Your instructor will give this to you, and you're going to paste it or type it in right here. These are unique codes, so as soon as I enter this one, no one else will be able to use it. We'll submit. Now, we have to pick the product, and you have to be very careful here. We only get one database for each activation code that we have. So we want to make sure we get the general content. So before we hit submit, we're going to double check and make sure that says general. We'll do submit. Look at that. The subscription to Prepware General was successfully added to your account. That's great. And that's the end of the video.